Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews. Today, we're diving into the Keychron K8 tenkeyless wireless mechanical keyboard. This TKL board packs a punch in a compact, 87-key layout, giving you full access to navigation keys while saving desk space. It features a clean white backlight and comes equipped with Keychron Super Switches, which offer that satisfying tactile bump perfect for typing and light gaming. Connectivity is super flexible. You can use it wired via USB Type-C or wirelessly with Bluetooth 5.1, connecting seamlessly to up to 3 devices, which is great for multitasking across your Mac and Windows setups. Keychron has optimized the K8 for both operating systems, even including extra keycaps for Mac users. Powering this is a massive 4000 mAh battery, giving you up to 200 hours of use with the backlight off. You get a great typing experience thanks to the ergonomic design, adjustable feet, and the tactile feedback of the brown switches, rated for 50 million keystrokes. It supports NKRO in wired mode and 6KRO wirelessly. The K8 is a fantastic, versatile mechanical keyboard that balances functionality and portability. Check the description for buying links. Thanks for watching.